On April 16, 2025, Mountain Home, Arkansas police respond to a report of a domestic disturbance. But before officers could make contact with the caller, a woman explodes out of her house, yelling and making it very clear she did not want the police there. What starts as a simple 911 call quickly escalated when one woman's rage and outright violence spun the entire situation out of control. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
How's it going? Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Did you go? What's that?
Obviously, I'm not your problem. My dogs wouldn't want to be attacking you.
Okay, did she go inside?
Talking about what are you looking for?
Do you live here, or was there a fight or anything going on?
All I know is that I've been sexually assaulted by 2 men who drive motorcycles, so you can fuck off.
Well, unfortunately, I'm not going to do that. Did you call 911?
No, why would I do that?
Huh? Did you call 911?
I would never call 911 because I've been sexually assaulted by multiple taxpayer paid ass like you.
Okay. Are you the only one here?
Am I?
Just you and your dogs?
No, I am waiting for my husband who isn't here.
Okay.
And I don't know if he's boxer.
You have a blessed day.
Yeah.
How's it going?
I'm on the phone with dispatch.
Okay.
I was hoping that you would not come over here because I did not want her to know that I called the cops on her, but
Okay. Is she the one that you called?
Yes.
You called us? Okay.
She will beat the crap. Well, they were beating the crap out of each other. And then just kind of shoving on each other, and they were fighting over something.
Okay.
And then they fell over a chair, and she was throwing potted plants at him, and then he left.
Okay. He left?
He did.
Okay.
To know what any of that.
Okay. It happened over here. This lady's going nuts. Apparently her and some guy got in a fight or something. The dude left already, but they were pushing each other. That's our caller right there. So we're probably going to hook this chick up for obstruction or disorderly, I have a feeling. Did you get in a fight? Did you get in a fight with somebody?
You're trespassing. You need to leave this property right now.
So we got a 911 call. I can be here.
No, you need to leave.
We're not leaving until we figure out what happened.
If you don't want to get punched in the face, you can leave.
Okay. Can we come here and just talk a second?
Absolutely not. No. You leave. Your uniforms are bullshit. You get the fuck off this property.
Okay. Hey, I need you to come back here.
No, you don't.
So somebody called 911, okay?
Get the fuck.
What are you doing?
Are you kidding me?
Roll over.
I'll.
Quit.
Are you kidding me? You guys are so fucked up.
Get her on. Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Ma'am, stop resisting. Here you go.
Are you kidding me? Stick them bones, buddy.
Tight. We're gonna need some shackles. We're gonna need some.
You guys smell like you need to wash your fucking nose.
Are you chilled out now?
No.
Can you sit up and chill?
Nope.
Let's sit up. Sit up. Chill out.
Oh, you. Oh, my fucking God.
Just chill. Hey, stop!
Are you kidding?
It's time to relax. Stop, man. Stop.
Is that any idea?
how much trouble you're causing yourself.
You're the one
You're
doing
doing
it.
this. You know, you really need to lead up on me so I can breathe.
Stop trying to attack us and we'll leave.
I have not been trying to attack you. You're the ones invading my home. I can't breathe.
We're not even on you.
You are on me.
On your legs. That doesn't affect
Yeah,
your
I'm
breathing.
110 pounds. Not even 110 pounds. Let me breathe, you sons of.
Are you gonna stop? We're gonna let you up. Are you gonna stop?
I'm not doing anything. Why are you smothering me?
We'll try this one more time.
Why are you smothering me? You assholes.
Stop.
There we go.
Oh my
Try it
God,
one more time.
are you kidding me? You guys are going to go to like you in the ass prison about this.
Where's the
I'm not a actress. I don't know what the you think you're doing, but you're doing everything all the way wrong. Way wrong. What the are you doing? Why are you holding me down? You guys are never ever gonna get a boner again. Because I'm gonna get you castrated. Because you're stupid.
You better clean loop those shackles to those cuffs and just
You better cut those cuffs off me.
hold tighter, basically.
Take this off me right
Where's
now. Have you ever thought that you'd ever be dignified? You're wrong. Where am I? Am I on my front porch? I'm on my own front porch. And these assholes have pinned me down because they think that they're somebody important. They're not important. All they did was terrorize a civilian.
She doesn't even have shoes on.
Because good women don't wear shoes. They're barefoot in the kitchen. You're not. I don't know why the fuck you assholes are here because you don't even know how to wear uniforms. If you fucked up any of the shit that belongs to my family, you guys are dead.
Better be waiting here. We just they don't carry them.
You better not.
Kicking. Yeah. Ready?
We know her name.
Nope. You didn't get that far.
I saw as she walked in, started just trying to wrestle you as soon as you got here.
Easy. Didn't pan out.
So,
Sorry, grab her feet.
Why are you sexually assaulting me?
just lay right on your chest.
No, fuck you guys.
Watch your arms. Get them back here.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Bring your legs up.
You know mine.
This one. She's probably right
Come on,
there.
Chief, kill him! Sick him balls! Sick him fucking balls!
Watch your head.
No! Fuck you guys! Get the fuck out of here! No! Fuck you! Fuck you guys! No, this is not fucking right in any fucking way. Yeah, it hurts me just as bad as it hurts me worse than it hurts you, you son of a bitch!
Where are we going to?
There you left my dog out! Fuck you!
You trying to fight me?
Well, you try to put your fucking in my mouth, I'll fucking bite that shit off. Because you need to be fucking castrated, you fucking ass.
Something on the other side?
Yeah, no, fuck you.
You're hitting the seatbelt? It's not smart.
Well, I can't reach your fucking testicles, so if I got to castrate something, might as well be the fucking seatbelt.
Well, that's nice of you. Thank you.
As you fucking wish. You guys.
Get her down there, Wolf.
Stop it! Stop it!
Well, why did you...
Catherine with a K.
Stop it!
L-V-A-L-E.
Stop!
Hey, just get her down there.
Catherine with L-V-A-L-E. Two ball runner. He's 19 to the jail.
Kidnapped by a fucking cop from my own fucking house, sexually assaulted because they were not doing their fucking duty. It's good to know that criminal police officers don't have any integrity because they think that they can
on the dog that ran out into the street. It is now secured in the residence.
30 PD. I'm 97 at the jail. You may want the chair.
Praise I'm gonna get.
Who the f are you? No, stop f***ing touching me. What I need my f***ing phone call. You leave me the f*** alone.
Right?
I need my f***ing phone call, you f***ing ass. Are you kidding me?
There. She's out.
No. Are you f***ing kidding me?
You good?
I'm good. Just took one to the head.
Shit up.
And make sure you didn't lose an eye.
Get your hands off. Break shot you.
Hi, hello, body camera. I am being held against my will because a bunch of f***ing assholes are molesting me because I was at my own f***ing home and they f***ing kidnapped me. And I need Will, who's a f***ing Marine, to come save me because I can't trust anybody else. Okay, so we have DeWolf. What's his badge number? We've got DeEvans. Ow, that f***ing hurts my f***ing hands, you f***ing ass.
Hang on. Stop.
Take that shit off me if you want it to work that way. Okay, so we got Evans, we got Deputy Bentley, D. Wolf. What's your name, you dumb shit? Jailer.
It's corporal, actually.
Yeah, I'm a
Grab that.
colonel, so yourself. What, you want to apply my knees?
Take the handcuffs off you, ma'am.
Well, if you hadn't put them between my knees, they wouldn't be there, you dumbass. Do the other hand, and then you'll see how many times they punch you in the face. You're not smart, because obviously you aren't.
Hey guys. Go through her arm the other way.
How about you don't file anything about trying to touch any of my parts? Dumbasses! Are you really gonna assault me like that? You're so. You think you're on a fucking show, but you're not, because this is my real life.
Stop trying to bite.
Right, like me.
Cameron. Here, grab that belt. Yeah.
I know, you guys are so fucking turned on by my t-shirt.
It loops through.
They couldn't handle me doing your fucking job.
Alright, leg.
Well, help me. No, that is too tight. Are you kidding me? Yeah, do you see what they're doing to me? Because it's abuse.
Yeah, you punched me in the mouth, too, so that's abuse.
Well, you're not the one. You're supposed to do your job, not sexually assault a woman.
No, hang
Dumbass, what's your name on your badge?
Corporal Faborski.
Yeah.
Number's 48.
Oh,
I'm a
yeah,
colonel.
it was just going.
I'm actually a.
I got kicked in the nuts.
Did you? Well,
I'll take a kick in the head over
kick in the nuts.
So also, when I was walking up, or running up, and she come running at you, did she push you or anything like that?
She lunged me and I wouldn't say arm through her on the floor.
I got it, buddy. Go ahead.
Catherine Bale was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, second-degree terroristic threatening, 3 felony counts of second-degree battery on a police officer, and impairing operations of a vital public facility. Her bond was set at $15,000. While incarcerated, Catherine Bale received crutches due to an alleged injury. And one morning, during a routine cell check, Bale walked to the booking door near the Sally Port, attempting to open it and leave, but the door was secured. Then the jailer instructed Bale to return to her cell, but she refused. When the jailer tried to escort her, Bale jerked away, took her right crutch, and struck the jailer on the left shin. A state trooper and deputy arrived to assist as the jailer attempted to return Bale back to her cell. During the escort, she allegedly attempted to swing her crutches at the assisting officers. After officers gained control of the crutches, Bale was carried back to her cell. The jailer later informed the administrator that the crutches needed to be removed, as Bale was reportedly walking without any issues and had used them as weapons on multiple occasions. The incident added the following charges: attempted escape from a correctional facility, 1 felony count of second-degree battery on a police officer, and impairing operations of a vital public facility. Her bond was increased to $25,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.